welcome back to the channel. So today we are stealing some fish, right? And also we're going to use some Excelsior water crackers. If you're not steam fish, if you're stealing fish and not crackers, don't bother steam because crackers are this brand, crackers Excelsior, are the crackers we use. Number one crackers. So if you have the fish and not crackers, don't bother do it. And also I boil some yam. The Renta yam. So, that yam here, guys, yeah. I don't know a bush up this. It look like a cherry wood, roughy. So it seems like it take the rough look at the earth. Yeah man, so I boil this or piece of it with the steam fish. Yeah man. So I'll show you how I get it. So I'm back on the cliff them now. One time I dig the yam. Yeah, these yams are from ancient times. Our ancestors planted them and now them are grow wild a bush. It is said that yam came to Jamaica from Africa on a Portuguese slave ship. So I guess it's safe to say the slaves plant these yams and now them are grow wild a bush. I don't know if it's outdoor cooking, you know, the wood fire. Yeah man, wood fire what I use. Alright guys, I'm there. I down in the bush. See if I can find some. I think I can find one yam. I don't know where that country can find wild yam, the wild Renta yam. So they are move it through and see if I can find. See one vine is already. We have one vine right here. And so next vine. So we find a few. So next one is up. Feel like I don't want to start with first. Now somebody can hold the camera for me, so I'll put on the camera for a bit and dig. Alright guys, so another one here. So I dig the one here. The one look way more easier to dig than the first one. I'm showing it. The one that gone far. So I'll try the one here. I'm soon showing how the other one set up. Like a dig already and he throw down a hole and beers they gone down far. I'm soon showing you still about the one here. How me try to dig right now. See edge start is already, so if I go down 1-2 feet down the ground now, so I don't find food. Yeah man. So I'll go and dig. Go and dig. I want to part like at the same time because I don't know them to cool and stay away. Isso, si progressé. Boy. Get the cutlass almost cover. This cutlass right here, so say almost cover. You can about 3/4 way down in the hole. Okay. Almost down my knee. And this don't look like it didn't nowhere finish digging, you know. Yeah man, I want to dig or a fork. Really get out the whole of this. See? Yeah man. So go and dig same way. One thing though, full of mosquito. So this are the old yam the beer. See look at root, your man say old piece of beer and rotten out and send new piece. People, man check out Ellis Amputation, right? For all the needs. If you want one trip, when you can contact him. Anything. If you want to go up on a date and want somebody to carry on style, you know, AC, everything, when you can contact him. Church trip, you know, you have school kids, you have school to and from, everything. So come and show you what going on. See? Inside clean. So nice clean ride, AC working, everything. You know, you have a curtain same way, so you have a privacy. So if you don't want body to know what going on, you can see what going on. And see the number here to call 329 3949. Yeah, see there? Anything safe and reliable, that means nobody now taken away. Right? So we don't have to jump out like some other services. Nobody now taken away. Very punctual. So if you say 10 o'clock at 10 o'clock. But 9 o'clock at 9 o'clock. 9:30 or 10 o'clock. Once about X time, we'll show up on that time. So let's check out Ellis Compression Service. So we'll get all the way seasoning we are using, you know? All the way seasoning we are using because one done for rain. So we onion, scallion, thyme, sweet pepper and all that. And Irish potato. Yeah. Yeah guys, so we use onion, scallion, thyme, garlic and all that. We have rosemary. So yeah, rosemary and parsley. Yeah. And little fish spice and pepper. Or pandang ka na ito come till it get dark. Be a rain. I used to come over. Quick and fast, fish don't know guys, I don't know fish come like a cup soup. Quick and fast. Alright guys, so carrot, scallion, so the carrot, scallion, thyme, tiny thyme, and all that. Add the roots and ugly, you know. The parsley make you go and cook it night same way. Rosemary. Yeah, rosemary. And a pumpkin guide. And corn. Cook it the same way, you know. With the oregano. Alright, I'm going to cook. So guys, now I can push them, wash up some vinegar, you know. Okay, I don't know what to do if you cut it raw, you see that? Nice. So nice for it. And then we get yam peel up. Alright, go with me. So I'll get to my fish now. But first, add in some Maggi all purpose. Add in little fish guys, same way, you know. And little whole bay, guys. Only buy one. All who don't have one, buy one. Say magic touch. Or one, but I don't know. You cook with love. Cook with love, same way, you know. Getting the water neck, I don't know. This can't swim fishing. Want a little more water also. Take water in it and then the fish. Pull my peel again. So add in the fish. And okra. Yeah, okra now guys. So again adding okra same time. Adding okra now. So I try not to get the yam peel up. Night pot, you know. Night pot, steam fish and Renta yam. Or bush yam. Them yam guys just grow wild a bush, you know. So time to add in because you know. Don't know Excelsior water because I feel with this. Alright? This of minutes and it's done. Yeah, these. Some of you guys may be wondering how Excelsior come up with this wonderful product. Well, it all started back in 1911 when they were using a wood burning brick oven, and that give the crackers the unique taste and toughness